Okay, perfect. Hello, everybody. I'm really glad I can be here, so thank ControlTech for welcoming here. And as it's late afternoon, I will try to make my presentation as much information intense as possible. And today I would like to introduce you our new product, AI Alarm and Notify. But generally, I will be talking about AI in industrial applications. And what I will try to present you today is that it can be very easy to deploy artificial intelligence in your factory or on your equipment. If you would have any questions during the presentation, please raise your hand and I will be very happy to answer it. I am saying that because AI in industry is really new technology and there are a lot of questions and hopefully also some answers. So let's get started. AI Alarm and Notify is part of DataTalk platform. DataTalk platform is the set of products designed for helping managing data in industrial applications. It can collect data, analyze the data, it can use artificial intelligence to label the data and work with the data. It has the visualization tools, it has options to generate reports or convert and send data, for example, to cloud. So it's a set of products. I will talk about some of the other products at the end of the lecture if we have enough time. And then now let's go to AI Alarm and Notify. So it has four basic functions. The first one is collection of data. It has also integrated historian, so the data are stored. It, of course, is processing real-time alarms. It has real-time notifications, and most interesting part, which I will be talking about today mostly, is the AI assistance. So the first part, this AI Alarms and Notify can connect directly to your PLC. If you are using Rockwell PLCs, it will connect to any type you are having. It has integrated Ethernet IP driver and can read tags directly from your PLC. So on one click, you can have the tag database integrated into the product. You set up the limits and the system is working. So it's very easy. Aside of Rockwell PLCs, we also support additional drivers for other PLCs. So if you have a Siemens PLC, Beckhoff, BNR, whatever, you can connect. It can connect also to databases, so it can read data, for example, from your company ERP system. Or on the other side, it can connect directly to sensors. So if you are using, for example, intelligent sensors, we can read them directly, even not using the PLC. Nice part of the product is also no-code graphical compute module, which allows you to combine the data together. So not only reading the data from the PLC, but you can also combine the data together to get whatever data you need into the system. The second part, obviously, once you have the data in the system also logs the data. It has integrated history inside. So you can visually see the alarms, you can see the representation of the alarms, and it's very easy to integrate the system with existing systems. So if you have an existing SCADA system for real-time data with limited options for alarming, you can easily integrate it and use the alarming from this system. It's web-based, so it's easy to use. As I said, integral part are real-time notifications. This AI Alarm and Notify can notify up to 150 different services. So it's very easy to send notifications to email, SMS, Slack, Discord, WhatsApp, Microsoft Teams, whatever you are using in your factory, I believe will be supported. And now we are getting to AI Assistant. I think this is most interesting part. When we designed the project and the system, we tried to integrate it with a large language model to use in industrial application. And we were designing this product for more than 3 years. We put it on the market now because now we believe the AI is close to good enough functioning in industrial automation. So, what it do? The AI assistants in the product AI Alarm Notify have access to live alarms and alarm history. So whatever is happening in the system, the AI assistant knows about it. It also has access to live tags, to live data, so it knows what are the temperatures, what are the pressures, how is your operational system working. If you link the AI assistant with your documentation, it also knows how your technology is operated. You can include documentation like manuals, user manuals, fix manuals, service notes, whatever ties to your technology you can put in, and the system will index it and work with it. Once this is done, you can use AI assistants for two main parts. One is you can use it as a search tool because it knows your documentation, so it can be used as semantic search, or you can use it as full-featured assistant. It's like having technician 24/7 ready on your technology, answering the questions. And what is this good for? I think there is a lot of use cases where this could be used. We put some of the most important here into the presentation. And some of them I would like to present here. For example, assistant repairs. If you need to repair some technology, for example, broken sensor, you need to fix it, you can launch the assistant, and it will help you search the manual, search documentation, and give you the hints about the technology. Of course, you don't need to search as the documentation, the AI can do it for you, so you can directly use AI assistant for assistant repairs, so you can ask, why is it broken? What has happened? What do you think is the cause of the error? How should I fix it? Where I find the information? So all of those questions the AI assistant can handle for you and help you use it. Of course, I think the main focus nowadays is in predictive and prescriptive maintenance. If you have the assistant which understands the technology, it can help you to find the root cause of the problems, and sometimes it can even help you to fix the problem before the failure. Instant notifications, as I said, when something happens, when there is any problem, the system informs you at that moment, so you can fix the equipment faster or prevent the failure of the system. Remote intelligent monitoring, of course, as you get notifications about the problems, you can check online what's happening with the system. We offer secure VPN if you are off the site, so you can check the technology anywhere. And also the assistant works also in your phone. You can use the conversation even if you have a screwdriver in your hands. So remote intelligent monitoring really could help your service personnel to fix things fast. Of course, monitoring production KPIs, I put it here because we use it in automotive industry with car makers, where we monitor the production, and if KPIs go below some level, we notify the shift manager, and he can fix it before they have a failures on production. So this is one of the nice, neat use cases where you can use it. Also, expert assistance for the operator of technology. Again, it comes from real use case. We put this system on monitoring of the tunnel controls, and it helps operators to monitor the tunnel in case of some extreme situations like fire or accident. And it helps the operators to understand where is the problem and how they should handle it. This is just a small showcase how the Alarm Notify interface can look like. As I said, what it can do, it can monitor your technology in real time. You got instant notification. You get AI assistant, which is available 24/7. And of course, you have alarm filtering by priority, time, location. You can put alarms into rooms, whatever I used to if you work with some SCADA systems. This is just showcase how you can set up the system. If you would be interested in showcase, I have small PLC micro back there. So if you would like to see how it connects to the PLC and how the system is set up, be free to come and ask questions. Important things, pricing. I just wanted to explain the pricing. The system runs locally on your server or on your computer at your premises. So you own the data, all the data are local, nothing's go to the cloud. The license is lifetime, so once you acquire the license, you can use it for the lifetime, but we charge for updates. So if you would like to have the security updates, functional updates, we charge 20% per year for the price of the license. All the functions are always included, and the price is dependent on the size of your project, measured in tags. Here is a short example how the chat with the assistant can work. So this is the search part, and if you go to the assistant, you can ask questions. Nice is you can ask questions in your language, so now it's English, you can ask in your language, it will work. And of course, I can ask the question like, what is the system status, what's happening with the system, how is the problem. Here you can see there are some alarms, so I am asking if I should stop the technology, and based on the documentation and based on the manuals, the system recommends me to stop the technology and also tells me why it's a good idea to do so. So this is a very short example. We have many more. Of course, it's nice to try. So this was AI Alarms and Notify, just short about our 3 additional products, because as I said, AI Alarms and Notify are part of the platform DataTalk. Another product which we released recently is Connect, Log and Report, and it's a very easy way how to do reporting. The way how it works is you create the report in MS Excel or in MS Word as a template, then you link this template with the data, and output is generated report. Report can be again sent to any service, it can be emailed, or it can be stored on the server. The key advantage here is that the creation of reports is very simple. You are using the Excel or Word with all the formatting options Word offers. So doing the report is very, very easy. We can skip this. This is how it's made, but we are a bit short on time. Another product is real-time dashboards. It's for monitoring your technology. It's based on real-time data which are coming from your PLC, and this data can be visualized using the dashboards. If some of you work with Grafana, for example, this is similar. It has one great advantage comparing to Grafana. It's all integrated in one package. So you get the connection to the PLC, you get the real-time database, and you get all the graphics inside. Of course, disadvantage for some might be it's paid product. It's not for free like Grafana is. This is some showcase how it can look like on real application at the real customer. And the last product, very shortly, OT IT Gateway. This is the product which integrates, can take data from OT technology like PLCs or sensors and send them to IT. So, very easy example, you have some production, this system takes the production data from the PLC and stores it into your ERP system. It can be SAP, it can be Abra, it can be whatever system, or sends them to the cloud, whatever is possible. Also, this can work as a security gateway between OT and IT technology. After me, there will be a presenter, my colleagues from Service Control, which will show you AGVs. They are really nice. And one of the application of the OT IT gateways we did together is AGV monitoring in Škoda factory, where we use OT IT gateway to monitor the AGVs, which are running on Rockwell Automation PLCs, and sending the data to Škoda factory for visualization and for analysis. So this is one of the typical use case for this product. And that's all from me. Once again, thank you for your attention. And if you would have any question, please feel free to come to me and we can have a talk about usage of this technology. Thanks a lot.